Hey, it's Jason. Obviously, well, it's not real warm today. Let's see if I can get this straight. So I'm not crooked. But anyway, uh, eventually I'm going to pull the engine and switch this around so you can see what I mean. Pardon me. On this lovely behemoth. And apparently one of the first things you have to do is what they call fuel system pressure release. Fun, huh? Anyway, so you're supposed to remove the fuel cap. Kind of easy on that one, huh? So you meander back here. And well, that's done. Pretty easy on that one. And you're supposed to, the next step, and not quite so easy. And it says remove the fuel pump relay from the power distribution center. Yeah, that took some figuring out. Anyway, best as I can determine, this is the fuel pump relay. There we go. And so this is the side, I guess. We're now. That lovely thing is gone. And then let's see. This is start and run the engine until it stalls. Well, sounds pretty simple. I can remember where I put my car keys. Maybe. I have to pause for a minute, just a minute. Alright. So, I'm back. Anyway, so I get to start this behemoth. And so we meander around. Hey, don't lock it. Or broke and have to get in, which is on this thing, like a two-handed operation. And that's just because this thing is high. Oh yeah. I think it's already stalled. Let's see. So I think we have achieved that. I think we have achieved that step. Let's see. Doesn't want to run. And then just unplug connector from any fuel injector. That'll take a bit to figure out. So anyway, I'll see how I did on this and go from there. Talk to you later.